Thank you everyone. Music elevates the soul and unites us in purpose. Now, may I request the august gathering to stand in reverence for the DAV band.
Respected chief guest of today's event, Sri P.K. Satpathy sir, respected quiz master Mr. Niharanjan Bhuya, principal Modern Public School CDA Cuttack, my dear Ashok sir, HOD Mathematics Department, Sadangi sir, senior teacher Mathematics, all the escort teachers, all the mathematics teachers of LRDAV, and my dear lovable children. Every year we are conducting the National Mathematics Day. On this day, everywhere we are also conducting inter-school mega mathematics quiz contest. Since 5 to 6 years we have been conducting this program. But here in our time, we are taking mathematics as the compulsory subjects. But last 3 to 4 years I am saying that today the students are taking mathematics as optional subject. Because the students are very much worried about their school mark, board mark. But I request all the students, don't take mathematics as optional subject, you take it as compulsory subject. Because there is decrease of 2 to 3% of mark that will not hamper your career. But if you omit mathematics, if you don't take mathematics as compulsory subject, you will go for physical education, another subjects are coming, painting also we have introduced, and in other schools also dance, art, many subjects are there to secure good mark, and also the school also trying to secure the best position in DAV as well as in national. That's why also we are offering other subjects. But being the student, your first choice for the mathematics. Unless you read mathematics, your logical brain will not be developed. And that will help you in future. Whenever mathematics, you cannot read later. For other subjects, whenever you will appear your competitive examination and other examination, that may be the other subject like SST or economics, that you can read later on, but mathematics you cannot read. So in plus 2 level, you should keep mathematics as your compulsory subject. It is my request. That's why to promote mathematics, our school is conducting mathematics quiz contest successfully last 5 to 6 years, and that will also go on in future. So with this, and you know mathematics is regarded as the queen of science. And if you don't have mathematics, you cannot take physics you in +3 as your honors. And also you cannot read also MCA. Many branches are there. You cannot go for that unless you have mathematics. So on this auspicious day, I must give very much obliged to Sri P.K. Satpathy sir for his precious presence to bless the students to witness the program. And also I must thank to Nair sir, because I am seeing the Nair sir. Nair sir was our teacher in LRDAV. Then also he joined principal in DAV Padmavati Tangi. Now he is working as principal in Modern Public School, DAV Modern Public School City, Cuttack. I am witnessing his quiz conduction as master, quiz master. Successfully, sir is conducting this program. So every time we are requesting sir to conduct this program. Also, besides his busy schedule, sir gave us time to present over here to conduct this program. We are very much obliged to Nair sir, and also the same cooperation we need in future, and also we expect his presence in future. With this, I must thank all the students, all the participants who are coming from different schools of Cuttack, Bhubaneswar, I think Paradeep also. Paradeep students have not joined this year. So thank you all, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now may I request Firoz sir to kindly felicitate and welcome our honorable guests. First, Dr. Prasanna Kumar Satpathy sir, who was the senior reader in the Department of Mathematics, Revensa University, and ex-principal of SCS College, Puri. Sir, privilege to welcome respected quiz master, our very own Mr. Nihananjan A huge round of applause for our guests.
My dear students, I should not say anything about me, but a few things. I belong, all of you do you know, Mahamopadhyaya Samanta Chandrasekhara? Students, do you know or not? Ask your teacher who he was. The British government recognized two Indians. One is Srinivasa Ramanujan, other is Pathani Samanta, popularly known as. He is a great astronomer. You ask your teachers, they will tell about him. I belong to that locality, Khanpada. And when I went for the interview in 1984 for British Council scholarship, the lady council member, British Council lady member asked me, what do you say about your students? My clear answer was, sometimes I learn from my students. I should not tell many things about me. Fortunately, I have worked in important colleges of this state. Government College Raurkela, BJP College, Revensa College, then SS College Puri, where I retired. After retirement, I served as professor and head in IITAR, SO University. Those who are aspiring for engineering, they know. And your teachers are, I have taught them. because you belong to English medium school CBSE pattern. But from class 8 to end of BSc, in our conventional system, all have read my mathematics and computer science books. And I first brought the computer science syllabus from England, and which was introduced in 1985. So, and as an example, I'll say, I do not know many things about it. Just when I came, I went to your laboratory also. Because in 1992, in the Ravenshaw College, we introduced computer programming, 48 students, only one computer. But every year, I was the internal for the practicals. After leaving from Ravenshaw, I came to them as external. When there are 20-25 computers, students did not enter the class. But one thing I will give you to advise, two things I will give. One thing, whether you are boys or girls, always help your parents. This is my first advice. In whatever you like, whatever, how much hour you study, but help your parents. Because when I have been in England, why I am telling, 8 months, there after undergraduate, you will remain in the hostel, but you will not be given food. And you know nowadays when you go in this line, engineering or medical, you have to do for yourself. So unless you do it here, and when you help your parents, what will happen, you know? Your mind will be fresh. So that is science students, you will be benefited much more. And another thing, you may dislike, use your mobile as less as you can. If it is essential, textbooks are important, but downloading, unless it is required, downloading content, not important. Not important, because I have taught brilliant students. Yesterday I was talking to my student who retired as, now he is the chairman of Planning Commission in the government of Odisha. After his retirement, he was my student in Raurkela. I was telling him, now in our state, mathematics is at the lowest. Why? Because I will give one example. Unless you help yourself, nobody will help. In BJP is the premier college, you know. 544 students in mathematics in 2 years, 11th and 12th. 2 lady teachers. Your teacher told about mathematics because it is so important. Whether you take economics, whether you take psychology, whether you take education, it is not particular mathematics. That means important concepts like functions, determinant matrices, you understand? And graphs, these will be highly essential in whichever way you go. Because if I tell about my experience, because it will take a lot of time here, because I have visited, I was selected in Bombay IIT, Indian Institute of in Bangalore. I was there for 5 weeks. My experience is a lot. But only these 2 things I told you. So read sincerely and help your parents and see textbooks if you want to prosper. Because, you know, because whatever I have learned, because I work, my PhD work using computer in 1970s, 77, 78. I used to do computation. Nobody did PhD under me because you have to go to the computer center. I used to go to IIT Madras, Indian University in those 70s. So my concern is, you just concentrate and help your parents. That is essential. And learn some other things like cooking, washing, Because when you go outside, in those days in 80s nobody was going outside. Now everybody is going outside. So these two things are there. I thank your management, and Satpati was also my student also in Revensa. Yesterday one student, lady student, told me he was 82, 83 batch in BJP. Unless I see, I can't remember. Because I visit colleges. 2 weeks back, I had been to Raurkela, I visited 5 colleges. Because whenever I go, only the college I visit, schools I visit. Because DAV Chandrasekharpur, I have twice gone interview. BJP English Medium School for academic purpose I generally go, and my student is in Kadanganagar, principal, or answer. He was my first class student. There are 5 students in my class, special paper. You will be astonished. They used to go, 5 students, no lady was there, no girls, no 5. They used to go from Cuttack to Bhubaneswar, Vijayanagar to have discussion on different difficulties on every Sunday. Because you should not hesitate. Set theory you are reading. When I joined in 1971, set theory was introduced in Sambalpur University. But the teacher was there before me, he didn't teach them. I have to go to a professor of NIT now, because as a student or a teacher, new things will come in science, in economics, in social sciences also. Because many experiences I can tell. One great biologist of England, he didn't read mathematics at the intermediate stage. He came for us for 2 days to give lectures. He told that he has to read mathematics for 1 year to do his research. You can understand the essence of science is essence. Minimum things you have to know. So may God bless you. Thank you all.
Now, I would like to request our Honorable Chief Guest to declare the results of the MCQ-based preliminary round. Sir, please.
Students, it is not in order. Arbitrarily, I will call the names. Okay? No serial. Now, Asmodiya Mahapatra, Swarnavartika Das, DAV Public Arjay Kumar Sahu, Dipanshu Baro, DAV Chandrasekharpur. Aniket Sahu, Ayaskanto Bishoy, DAV Medical.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Srinivasa Ramanujan from DAV Public School, class 11.
Good afternoon. I am Srinivasa Das from class 11, DAV Public School.
તમે ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ બોલે હાથની કરছে નાલે આશીર્વાદ કરશે
And Prashant Babadra from class 9, LRDAV Public School.
એલા મને
Rajput
કી
Rai.
કહો
Rajput Rai, DAV
કહો
Public
ના
School.
ફૂલ ફોર્મ ના આવું
Sir, Manana Chaudhary from class 11, LRDAV Public School.
એટી કઈ પછી નો
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ajay Kumar Sahu of class 12 from DAV चला
Good afternoon everyone. I'm the Tanjulkar, class 11, DAV Channel.
समझता हूँ कि आज
Sir, Ashok sir, Firoz sir, Department of Mathematics, all the mathematics teachers of different DAV public schools. This time I find all the mathematics teachers are very young mathematics teachers, good, and young mathematicians of DAV, that is our student. Let us start the program with a quote. An equation means nothing to me unless it is expressed the thought of God, which is infinity. So let us welcome there are 8 teams, and let us welcome our top 4 team to a mega mathematics quiz organized by LRDAV by small music. So let us clap for our class Dhurandhar. The Dhurandhar movie is well done. So let us clap for our class Dhurandhar. There are so many questions for them and some of the questions for our audience only. So you be ready, be active. You are having some of the contributory prizes. Okay, sir, let us start the quiz. And the good thing is, sir has made a random choice and it becomes a sequence. We do not have to change the students. The students, there are 4 rounds. See the rules. There will be 4 rounds. First round is bonus round. Second round, visual round. Third round, puzzle round. And fourth round is a game changer, that is rapid fire round. Each question carries 10 marks. Whereas in rapid fire, each question carries 5 marks. Because in rapid fire round, we are having 7 questions. Is it clear? So weightage of that round is also more. Each question carries 10 marks in round 1, 2, 3. But in round 4, each question carries 5 marks. The individual group will select the question number. That means when we will put the question, group 1 is allowed to choose question number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 randomly. You are allowed to select any question number, but in rapid fire round, you have to choose a set. Either set 1 or set 2 or set 3 or set 4. Clear? Okay. The total score of individual group will be declared at the end of each group. After each group, the score will be declared to everyone. In each sub-round, there will be a question for audience. At the end of each sub-round, there is a question for the audience and there is a special surprise for you. The participant must maintain discipline. It is requested to maintain discipline throughout the program. And in case of any tie, the decision of the quiz committee will be final. Is it clear? Okay. So let us start the mega quiz round. Sir, next. So we are going to the first round, bonus round. In this round, some of the instructions are there. This round contains 2 sub-rounds. Okay? It contains 2 sub-rounds. That means each participant will get 2 questions. If any group will not able to answer the question, it will be passed to the next group because it is a bonus round and the bonus mark is 5. Is it clear? We will ask a question to you. If you will answer, it is 5 within 60 seconds. If you are unable to answer, you can pass. It will be passed to the next group and the passing mark or the bonus mark is 5. In the second round, there will be passing of question. Sorry, in first round also we will make passing of question. If the question will be unanswered by any group, it will be passed to the next group. And the time is 60 seconds. So do not become very fast. Take your own time. Use your 60 seconds and answer the question. Within 60 seconds, if you have answered the question and if the answer is wrong, you will be get another 1 chance. Suppose you have told the answer is A, it is wrong, you will get another 1 chance. But if the second chance is wrong, it will be passed. Okay? One passing kariye. Two round passing kariye. Second round passing. Okay. Okay, as per committee instruction, the second round will be passing round. In first round, you will get 2 chances. First will answer if it is wrong within 60 seconds. If the time will over, then you will not get the chance. Okay, so let us start the round. In first round, we are having 4 questions and we will start from group 1. Group 1, you are allowed to choose any question. What is your question number?
3.
Question number 3. Can you have the question number 3 in screen? Who invited Ramanujan to England? Second question is, what is the full name of the said person? Your time starts now. Who invited Ramanujan to England and what is the full name of the said person? So you have to name the person and you have to name the full name of the person. 45 seconds are there.
G.H. Hardy was the name of the person.
G.H. Hardy is the correct answer. And second, what is the full name of the said person? What is the full name of G.H. Hardy? You have to tell both the answer correctly. Time is there, 20 seconds, you can have a try. You can have a try, 10 seconds are there. Stop. From audience, can anyone say what is the full form of G.H. Hardy? Audience, anyone can say? G.H. Hardy full form. And can we, okay, wait. G.H. Hardy full form. From teacher. Anyone want to try? Because we know him by his abbreviated name. Can anyone try? Okay, can anyone try? Okay, let us put the answer on the screen. Godfrey Harold Hardy. G.H. Hardy is the correct answer. Okay, next. But mark will not awarded to you because you have to make both the questions correct. Sir, is it clear? Prabhakar sir, if both the questions are correct, they will be awarded. Otherwise, yes sir. Is it final? No. Okay, award 5 marks. Okay, that means from each question, if you will answer one question also, you will get 5 marks. Okay, because this round is not transferable. Okay, now group 2, your question. Choose your question number.
So question number 1.
Question number 1. Can you have question number 1 on screen? In which town of South India was Srinivasa Ramanujan born? First question. What is the name of his parents? Means father and mother. You have to tell the town where Ramanujan was born and you have to name his father and mother. Name the town where Ramanujan was born. What is his father's name? What is his mother's name? Either name you can say also. Either one you can say. Yes.
So we know the name of the town. Can we say?
Okay, name of the town?
So it is Erode.
Erode, Tamil Nadu is the correct answer. Okay, next. What is the name of his parent? Can you try? Either father or mother. The small hint is South Indian, the name contains derived from the father.
So Srinivas Iyengar, his father's name.
Yes, correct. We can give them the mark. It is actually K. Srinivas Iyengar, so we can award the mark. Okay? 10 mark goes to group 2. Now group 3, your question.
So we'll go for question number 2.
Question number 2. Can you have the question on the screen? Which English movie is based on Srinivasa Ramanujan life story? Second bit is, it is directed by who? Start the timer. Name the English movie which is based on the life of Srinivasa Ramanujan and who is the director of the movie. You have to tell the name of the movie, you have to tell the director's name. Movie based on the life story of Srinivasa Ramanujan.
The Man Who Knew Infinity.
The Man Who Knew Infinity is the correct answer, name of the movie, and the director is, can you have a try? Your time is there. The director of the movie Man Who Knew Infinity, name of the director. Name of the director. 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. Can anyone guess? The name of the director of the movie, The Man Who Knew Infinity, the movie based on the life story of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Name of the director of the movie. Okay, can you have the answers? The name of the director is Matthew Brown, is the name of the director. So 5 marks will be awarded to group 3. Now the last question is for group 4. By default you have to select question number 4. Okay, can you have the question on the screen? Which year was celebrated as National Mathematics Year by Government of India? Who was the Prime Minister of India at that time? That means, start the timer. You have to name the year when National Mathematics Day was started and who was the Prime Minister of India at that time. It was started in 2012 is the correct answer, and who was the Prime Minister of India at 2012?
Dr. Manmohan Singh.
Dr. Manmohan Singh is the correct answer. So 10 mark goes to group 4. 10 mark goes to group 4. Now there is a question for the audience. Which number is known as Hardy Ramanujan's number? Which number is known as Hardy Ramanujan's number? Audience, from students, number known as
729.
1729 is the correct answer. Can I have a small token of appreciation for our students? Can you have, sir? Yes. And next question, this side anyone can answer. What good word is there? Have you heard golden ratio? What word is there? Golden ratio. Nowadays companies are making beauty products by using golden ratio of our face. Taj Mahal was made by using golden ratio. What is the value of golden ratio? What is the value of golden ratio?
8:1.
It is not 8:1. No. 8:1.
Sir, 1.618.
1.618 is the correct answer. Let us give a big round of applause for our audience. 1.618 is the correct answer. So this is the end of subgroup of group 1. Now we'll go to the second sub round. Here the question is transferable. For each correct answer you will get 10 marks. If you pass the answer, the bonus mark will be 5 for the next round. Okay, we'll start it from group 4. Group 4, choose your question. Question number 4. Can you have question number 4 on the screen? A is twice as good as B. Together they can finish the work 14 days. That means A and B can finish the work in 14 days. In how many days can it be done by B separately? Start the time. A is twice good as B. Together they can finish in 14 days. In how many days only B can finish the work separately? The efficiency of A is twice of B. Together they can make the work in 14 days. In how many days we can finish the work separately? "21 is the wrong answer. It will pass to the group 1. It will pass to group 1. Sorry, it will pass to group 3. 42 is the correct answer. Give a plus 5. 42 is the correct answer. Plus 5 to group 3. Now the question is for group 3. Group 3, you choose your number.
So we'll go for question number 3.
Question number 3, can you have it on the screen? It's a hexadecimal number 1D minus 1111 is a binary number. You have to find the subtraction of these two numbers. First one is in hexadecimal, second one is in binary. You have to find the subtraction and tell it in decimal format. 1D base 16 minus 1111 base 2 is equal to how much in base 10? A hexadecimal number subtracted to a binary number will be represented in the form of decimal. One D base 16. Others can have a try. It's a bonus round. 19 seconds are there. 15 is the wrong answer. It will pass to you. 14 is the correct answer. There is a plus 5 to group 2. Plus 5 to group 2. Okay? Because A is 10. You might have started from 11, I think. A is 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? So 13 plus 16 is equal to 29. 29, this is 15. 29 minus 15 is equals to 14. Yes. Next, group 2, question number
1.
Question number 1. There are 10 questions, each having two options A or B. There are 10 questions, each having option A or B. What is the number of ways the student can answer one or more? Start. 10 questions you have to answer. Option is A or B. What is the number of ways a student can answer one or more? That means minimum one he has to answer. And repetition is allowed. There are 10 questions, each having option A or B. What is the number of ways the student can answer one or more? You can give the direct answer or you can give the answer in exponential form also. "24 seconds are there, you can take your time. 10 questions, option A or B. What is the number of ways students can answer one or more?
2 to the power 10 minus 1.
2 to the power 10 minus 1 is wrong.
3 to the power 10 minus 1.
3 to the power 10 minus 1 is correct because the student can leave the question unanswered. Okay? 3 to the power 10 minus 1 is the correct answer. There will be a plus 5 to group 1. Now group 1, your question is question number 2. Can you have it on the screen? What is the rank of word India when all the letters are arranged like a dictionary? What is the rank of word India when all the letters are arranged like a dictionary? Start. Rank of word India when the words are arranged like the words in the dictionary. After this, there will be a question for the audience. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 5. Be quick.
40.
40 is the wrong answer. Now, group 4, answer it. Yes. '46 is the correct answer. There will be +5 to group 4. 46 is the correct answer. Okay. Now there is a question for the audience. Within that time, Madam will do the totaling. Please be with your pen and paper. You may go for rock work. The question is, if oranges are brought at the rate of 30 for a rupees. If oranges are brought at the rate of 30, that means 30 oranges for 1 rupee. How many must be sold for a rupee in order to gain 20% profit? Okay? That means in 1 rupees, I have brought 30 oranges, I have purchased. In 1 rupees, I will sell how many oranges so that I will get 20% profit. 1 rupees, I have brought 30 oranges. How many orange I will sell so that I will get 20% profit? How many oranges per rupee? Yes.
25.
25 is the correct answer. 25 is the correct answer. Give a small appreciation. Next question is little bit tricky. You can have a rock work also, students. A batsman in its 17th innings make a score of 85 and thereby increase his average by 3. That means in 16th session, suppose his average was X. In 17 innings, he had made 85 runs and 3. In his average, 3 is increased. Number 3 is increased. What is the new average? In matches, what was his average? In 17th match, he has scored 85 and his average was increased by 3. What is his new average? You can have a try also. You can try also. 17th innings, he had made 85 runs and his average is increased by 3. What is his new average? Yes.
37.
Yes?
37.
37 is wrong.
34.
34 is wrong.
40.
40 is wrong. Can you answer? Can anyone answer? Can anyone answer? That is 37 or 47? 37. Sorry. 37 was the correct answer. 37 was the correct answer. Sorry. 47. So now we'll go to the second round. Before we go to the second round, let us have the score. Score of Group 1, DAV SCB Medical Public School is 10. Score of Group 2, DAV Public School Pokariput is 15. Score of Group 3, LRDAV is 10. And score of Group 4, DAV Chandrasekharpur is 15. Okay. So there is a neck to neck contest. Now we go to second round. There are 4 rounds. You can change the game at any time. It's a visual round. There will be a symbol displayed here. You have to tell the name of the symbol and purpose of the symbol used in mathematics. Is it clear? There will be a symbol displayed. Let it be X. Let it be theta. You have to name the symbol and you have to tell the purpose of the symbol, for which purpose it is used. Okay? there will be no passing of question. Okay? There will be no passing of question. Even if you may answer, but there will be no mark. So now for this round you will get 30 seconds. Only recognize and purpose. 30 seconds. Next time. So we'll start from group 1. Group 1, you choose your symbol.
3.
Question number 3. What is the name of the symbol and what is the use of the symbol? Name of the symbol and use of the symbol.
It says approximately equal to,
It is approximately equals to.
and it is used to show if two numbers or two entities are very close to each other.
Okay, it is correct. Correct, there will be a plus 10 to group 1. Now, second group, choose your question.
1.
Question number 1. Start the timer. Name the symbol and its use.
This is the symbol we use for partial differentiation.
Okay, name of the symbol.
Del.
Del is the correct answer. There is a plus 10 to group 2 DAV Public School. Now, group 3, your first question.
So we'll go for question number 2.
Question number 2. Name the symbol and what is its use. Name the symbol and its use. Start the timer. It will be passed to the audience if they will unable to answer. Name the symbol and its use. You can have a try, there is no negative mark. Yes? What is used?
Say that a number is not belonging to that set. Given set.
No. From audience, can anyone answer? They were close, but it is not correct. Can you answer? No, it is not equals to.
It does not exist.
It does not exist. Okay. Okay, so next last question. Question number 4 is for group 4. Name the mathematical symbol and what is the use of this symbol. First you have to say the name of the symbol.
Name is phi.
Name is phi is the correct answer.
This is also used in Euler-Stossen function.
Use it.
Euler-Stossen function. Tocent phi.
Tocent function.
T-O-P-I-N, the Tocent function. And,
Tocent function.
and it can also be used in angle. It can be used to null set.
Correct.
Tocent function. Okay. Correct. Give them 10. And it is used for golden ratios. Last question is for audience. What is the name of the symbol and its use? Name of the symbol and its use. Not visible. Name of the symbol and its purpose. Two numbers are
Congruent. When divided by same number, the remainder is same.
identical.
Congruence, yes.
Okay. Actually, it is identical. Okay. Okay, sir, give her a chocolate. Now the third round is most important round, but before we go to the third round, let us see the score of the second round. At the end of the second round, the score of DAV Medical Public School is 20, score of DAV Pokaripur is 25, score of LRDAV is 10, and score of DAV CS score is 25. So in round 1 and round 2, there is a neck-to-neck contest between DAV Pokaripur and DAV Chandrasekhar. The third round is a puzzle round. In puzzle round, there are 2 sub-rounds. Each question in this round will be answered in 1 minute. So 60 seconds will be given to you. So there will be a series of questions. You have to answer the correct one. There will be no passing of questions in this round. Okay? Now let us start the third round. And we will start it from, sir, this side will start. Let us start from this side. You choose your question. Group 4, choose your question. Question number 1. Can you have question number 1 on screen? So there is a series, you have to tell the question mark part, what will be the number within 60 seconds. You have to find the relationship and fill that. Others can try also. They told 15. Can you have the answer on the screen? 15 is not the correct answer. The correct answer is 8. The correct answer is 8. Now, next question for group 3. Question number 3. Start the timer. Yes.
So 17.
Then you have the answer on the screen. Your answer 17 is the correct answer. There will be plus 10 to group 3. Next your question.
Question number 4.
4. Question number 4. Start the timer. First place you have to fill. The middle one. You can also try this question. show any words. Now what he said. Five, four, can I have it try? Can you try? Time is up.
It's a dream.
Can you have the answer on the screen? One is the correct answer. Three is wrong. Now the last question is for question number 2 is for group 1. Start the timer. Eight seconds left.
$28.
28. Can you have the answer on the screen, please? 28 is the correct answer. Then plus 10 goes to group 1. Next. There is a second sub round. The question is a little bit easier. You have to choose. Now we will start it from group 1. Select your question. Question number 3. Question is count the number of triangles in the figure. Options are there. Count the number of triangles in the figure. So timer is not there. I am watching from it from my phone. Count the number of triangles in the figure. Number of triangles present in the figure. Options are there. Seconds left.
Option D.
Option D, can we have the answer on the screen? Option D, they told option D is wrong. Answer is option B, 28. Next. Group 2.
The question 1.
Question number 1. Count the number of triangles and squares present in the figure, and your time starts now. Options are there. Number of triangles and squares. Number of triangles and squares present in the symbol. Seconds left. Last 5 seconds.
26 triangles and 5 squares.
26 triangles and 5 squares means your option is A. Can you have the answer on the screen? The answer is option B. 28 triangles and 5 squares. 28 triangles and 5 squares. Next question. Group 3, you choose your question.
Question 2.
Question number 2. Count the number of triangles in the figure. And your time starts now. Number of triangles. Total number of triangles in the figure 16, 18, 19, 21. Number of triangles present in the figure 16, 18, 19, 21. Total number of triangles. Seconds left.
So the answer is 21.
Answer is number D, 21. Can you have the answer on the screen, please? The answer is 21 and it is the correct answer. There is a plus 10 to group 3. Okay, now the last question is for group 4. Count the number of triangles in the figure. Whether it is 10 or 12 or 14 or 16. Your time starts now. Number of triangles in the figure 10, 12, 14, 16. 10, 12, 14, 16. Count the number of triangles in the figure. Cutting more time, 30 seconds left. Total number of triangles 14. Can you have the answer on the screen, please? They told option C 14 and 14 is the correct answer. There is a plus 10 to DAV Chandrasekhar. Okay, so before we go to the next round, can you have the score here? The score of group 1 DAV SCB Medical Public School is 30. Score of group 2 DAV Bokariput is 25. Score of group 3 LRDAV is 30. Okay, and score of group 4 DAV Chandrasekhar is 35. Is it clear? So in this till now DAV Chandrasekhar is leading the game, but still students, lot of more things are there. We are having a rapid fire round. The weightage of that round is 35 marks. The weightage of that round is 7 questions, 35 marks, 90 seconds. Within 90 seconds, the question will be asked to you. If you know the answer, tell it, otherwise pass. So we go to the next question, If the 7 questions will be finished within the time, again it will be repeated. And a chance will be given to you. Suppose question number 1 you have given wrong answer, I will go to question number 2, 3. If you will finish within 90 seconds, 1 second you will get a chance to answer question number 1. You can pass the question, you can give the wrong answer, but after 7 there will be a loop. So before we go to rapid fire round, we will give you a 2-minute break. Keep your breath, hold your breath, and then after 2 minutes we will start the last round, rapid fire round. Okay, 1 second I am telling, the time is 90 seconds, timer will be there, question will not be there, timer is there. You can answer the question multiple times, but in a loop order. If you do not know the answer, pass it. First listen 7 questions, answer the correct one. As many as correct, into 5 will be the awarded score. Okay? Yes. There are 7 questions. I will ask question number 1. You do not know the answer. Without wasting the time, you can pass. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Again, I will come to question number 1. If time will allow. Suppose you have given question number 1 wrong answer. I have told wrong. and I have asked you second question. If time is also there, once again I will ask you, I will give you one chance. Time is 90 seconds. Within 90 seconds, 7 questions. If you have given all 7 answers, yes sir. It is written 6, but actually the total number of questions are 7. 7 questions are there, 35. 7 questions are there, 35 it is getting wrongly 6. 7 questions are there, 35 mark. But main thing is time is 90 seconds. Within 90 seconds, you can finish the question 2 times or 1 time, it depends on you. So actually they are waiting for the principal madam. Yes? Audience question is not there in the puzzle round. Yes, get it. It can be answered multiple times, but within a stipulated time. Total number of questions are 7. You can choose, there are 4 sets. You can choose any set. Is it clear? So we will start it from left side. Group 1, and you have to choose a set. Which set question? Number 1. So you have chosen question, set number 1. 7 questions will be there. When I will say start the timer, I will start reading the question near you, and can I have a pen? Any pen? Sir. Yes sir, yes sir.
There are 4 sets.
Sir.
You give them sets so that if there is a question overlapping.
Okay, you have taken set 1. Yours? Okay, yours 3. Yours? Actually, we are not giving the cheat because questions are written. Okay? So, let us start the rapid fire round, and can we have the timer? So, first question is, start the timer. What is the characteristics of 0.000112? Characteristics of 0.000112. Pass. Which one is larger? Sine 1 radian or sine 1 degree? Larger.
Sine 1 radian.
Okay, correct answer. What is the period of tan 2 pi? 2a. Period of tan 2a. Pass. 1 yard equals to how many meter? 1 yard equals to how many meter?
0.9.
Yes? 0.9. Okay. What is the ratio of circumradius and irradius of an equilateral triangle? Ratio of circumradius and irradius of an equilateral triangle. 2:1 is the correct answer. Movie Shakuntala Devi was released in which year? The year when the movie was released?
2017.
2017, wrong answer. Name the polygon which has 12 faces. Name the polygon. Yes? Dodecagon is the correct answer. And again, what is the characteristics of 0.000112? What is the time period of tan 2a? Stop. 5 is the wrong answer. So out of 7, you have answered 4 questions correctly. 4 into 5, 20 mark will be awarded to DAVSC. Now we will go to Group 2, DAV Public School, Pokariput, and let us start the timer.
90, 89, 88, 87.
Okay, a complex number lies in the second quadrant. Then its reciprocal will lie in which quadrant? Complex number is in second quadrant. Its reciprocal will be in which quadrant? It is wrong. SI unit was introduced by which country? France is the correct answer. Which is the 3-digit perfect number? 3 3-digit perfect number. Pass. What is the least count of standard stopwatch? Least count of standard stopwatch. Wrong. Concept of Boolean algebra was introduced by John Bully. Is the correct answer. 1 yard is equal to how many feet? 1 yard is equal to how many feet? Pass. Sridhara Acharya belongs to which state of India? Sridhara Acharya. Wrong. Once again I am asking, a complex number lies in the second quadrant, then its reciprocal will lie in which quadrant? Wrong. 3-digit perfect number. Least count of standard stopwatch. Yes. 0 milli means 0.001 second. No. It is 0.1 second. So you have answered 2 questions correctly. 2 into 5 plus 10 to DAV Public School. Now the question is for LRDAV and start the timer. How many dots are there in a Lotto dice? How many dots are there? How many dots are there in a dice? 21 is the correct answer. Eccentricity of circle is pass. When we convert a common logarithm to natural logarithm, which number is multiplied?
2.303.
2.303 is the correct answer. How many letters are used to represent the whole Roman number system? Total number of letters used in Roman number system?
6.
6 is the wrong answer. What is the formula of BMI? Formula to calculate BMI?
Weight by height in meters.
Oh yes, correct answer. How many unique planes can be drawn through 5 different points? Wait in? Okay, correct answer. How many unique planes can drawn through 5 different points if no 4 are coplanar? Each face of an icosahedron is what? What type of triangle? Each face of an no. Once again, eccentricity of circle is how many letters are there in Roman number system? So you have answered 3 questions correctly and you will get 3 into 5, 15 marks. Is it by meter you told? No, meter, but it's meter square. Oh, meter you told, sorry, it will be 5. Group 3, madam. Group 3, sorry, 10, plus 10. Plus 10, sorry. And the last question set is for DAV Chandrasekharpur and your time starts now. If 22 by 7 is taken at an approximate value of pi, then at which place decimal error arises? Third place is the correct answer. Name the polygon of each face of a dodecagon. Name the polygon of each face of a dodecagon. Pass. Which is larger, 1 hectare or 1 acre? Wrong. Instrument used to measure the height of a tree. In hexadecimal number system, T is used to represent which number? And what is the decimal value of T? In hexadecimal number system, T is used in decimal number 13. 13 is the correct answer. 13 is the which position of Fibonacci series? In Fibonacci series, 13 is present in which position? Seven is the correct answer. Movie name is A Beautiful Mind, based on which mathematician? A Beautiful Mind. Movie name is A Beautiful Mind is based on which mathematician? Pass. Okay. Name the polygon of each face of a dodecagon. Okay, you have made 3 questions correct. So there will be plus 15 to DAV Chandrasekharpur. And can you have the score please? And the score of group 1 is 50. The score of group 4 is 50. There is a tie between group 1 and group 4. So to break the tie, we are having tiebreaker question. In tiebreaker question, it will be a buzzer round. Okay. So for that reason, there are some tiebreaker questions. But in tiebreaker questions, who will answer fast will be awarded, provided your answer will be correct. If your answer is wrong, it will be -5. If your answer is correct, it will be +5. Is it clear? Now what will be the answer? What will be the rule for this tiebreaker? Because again, it will be -5. Then it will go to another. No, it will not go to that. Question पूछिएगा. The question will be asked to you. You have to between group 1 and group 4. Okay. Question will be asked to you. Who will give the first answer? Will be awarded if the answer is correct. Will be a negative mark if the answer is wrong. Okay. Time is sufficient. Time is sufficient. In 30 seconds will be. In 30 seconds we can wait. But once the answer can be given. If you give the correct answer, you will be awarded. If you give the wrong answer, so you hold your mic. You will count that first. No, they will give the answer. Correct answer. Now, sir, want to change your buzzer. They will give the answer. If the answer is correct, +5. If it is wrong, -5. So that will be. Both of you can give the answer. Okay? Listen to the question. Which Prime Minister of India? Which Prime Minister of India has published the Lost Book of Ramanujan? Which Prime Minister of India has published the Lost Book of Ramanujan?
TV Narasimha Rao.
Wrong. That is -5. Answer is Rajiv Gandhi. So there is a -5 to group 1, and by default the winner of this competition is DAV Chandrasekharpur. But well tried. So well tried. You have tried it. Okay. So now the score of group 2 is 35, group 3 is 40, group 1 is 45. And group 4 is 50. Thank you all the participants. They have played nicely. Then neck to neck, hardly there is a 5-bar difference. There is not so much difference. So I request everyone to give a big round of applause for our participants. All are the winner. All have tried their level best. Thank you. Jai Jai.
Thank you so much, sir. We have come to the end of our most exciting round of quiz. Now, I feel privileged to welcome our esteemed head of the institution, Mrs. Niharika Gantayat Madam. Madam, welcome. Now, it's the time for the final raising. But before that, can we have a huge round of applause for all the participants, because they have played with a lot of enthusiasm and competitive spirit. Now, may I request our esteemed Principal Madam to declare the final results of the Mega Mathematics Quiz Contest. Madam, please.
Everybody, esteemed guest of the day, Shri Prasanna Kumar Satpathy sir, esteemed quiz master, Mr. Niharanjan Bhaiya, my dear escort teachers of different DAV schools, And above all, dear children who are participating in this quiz and the finalists here, a warm welcome to you. Anyways, you all have already gone through the process of this annual quiz that happens every year on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Dr. Ramanujan. The purpose of this quiz is not just to observe the day, it is to generate critical thinking, critical analysis among the students who have a flair for mathematics. These kind of programs usually stimulate your thinking capacity, which is the need of the hour, instead of going for stereotyped rote memorization. Dear children, programs like this, small or big, should be of your interest, whether it is being done in a big platform or maybe in the classrooms. Quiz is a tool of assessment and it definitely evaluates where you stand at your respective levels. So, on behalf of the Maths department, I once again thank you for participating in this quiz program. And I will Cuttack, then Pokhriput, DAV Public School Pokhriput, then we have the own school LR also from Cuttack and CS4 from Bhubaneswar. So 2 from Bhubaneswar, 2 from Cuttack, good combination, and the runners up, and not far are group 3 and group 2 with 40 and 35 each. A very good neck-to-neck competition. Congratulations to all the participants sitting on the dais here, because all of you are already the winners.